In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect ChatGPT with Google Sheets. By the end, you'll have the ChatGPT add-on installed and ready to use inside your spreadsheet with no coding required. Start by opening Google Sheets in your browser and creating a new blank file. If you see untitled spreadsheet, go ahead and open it, and feel free to rename the file so you can find it later. With your sheet open, look to the top menu and select Extensions. From there, choose Add-ons, then click Get Add-ons. This opens the Google Workspace Marketplace, which is where we'll install the tool that connects ChatGPT to Sheets. In the Marketplace, use the search bar and type ChatGPT. From the results, look for the listing called ChatGPT in Slides Docs Sheets. Open that listing to view its details and confirm you've got the correct add-on. When you're ready, click Install. A confirmation window will appear. Click Continue to move ahead. You'll be prompted to select the Google account you want to connect. Choose your account, sign in if asked, and then review the permissions. These permissions allow the add-on to work with your spreadsheets and make secure requests to generate AI responses. If everything looks good, click Allow. This step completes the authorization and begins the installation. After a moment, you'll see a confirmation that ChatGPT in Slides Docs Sheets has been installed. That's it. The add-on is now connected to Google Similar Sheets. If you don't see it right away, refresh the spreadsheet. You'll find it under the Extensions menu, ready to open when you need it. If you're using a work or school account, you might need admin approval. In that case, check with your administrator. And remember, you can manage or remove the add-on anytime from the Extensions menu if you change your mind. Quick recap. Open a new spreadsheet, go to Extensions, Add-ons, Get Add-ons, search ChatGPT, choose ChatGPT in Slides Docs Sheets, click Install, hit Continue, select your account, and click Allow. Once you see the installed message, you're good to go. From here, you can access the add-on via extensions whenever you want to generate content, summarize data, or brainstorm directly inside your sheet. That's the full setup. Take a moment to confirm the add-on appears under